Okay, the text 5 it was said that after adjusting how the snake was to be held, the sons of Kashyap, those demigods and demons, began their activities desiring to get nectar by churning the ocean. Okay, okay, so now they are going to just start churning the ocean of milk. मध्यमाने अर्णवे सौद्री अरे सौद्री नाधारो विपविशत् प्रियमाणोऽपि बलिभिर्घोरवात पाण्डुनन्दन मध्यमाने अर्णवे सह अद्रि अंगारः हि अपा अविशत् धीमानः अपि बलिभिः गौरवात पाण्डुनन्दन मध्यमान मध्यमाने मध्यमा while churning was going on Arnave in the ocean of milk saw that Adri hill Anadhara without being supported by anything. He indeed Apaha in the water Avishat thrown. Driyamana captured Api although Balivi by the powerful demigods and demons Gaurava from being very happy. Pandu Nandan, O son of Pandu, Maharaj Parichet. मध्यमाने अर्णवे सोत्रिनाधारो यापो विशक्रियमाणो पीबति गौरवात पांडु. O son of the Pandu dynasty, when Mandar mountain was thus being used as a churning rod in the ocean of milk, it had no support, and therefore, although held by the strong hands of the demigods and demons, it sank into the water. Okay. Another problem going to start. Recently, Krishna solved their one problem. They were not able to bring the mountain itself. So Krishna asked Garuda, and then on the back of Garuda, Krishna brought and kept them. And now they were not able to hold also the snake also arranged by Krishna, and then Krishna in the form Ajit is churning from the demigod side also. Okay, he is also pushing. Now another problem came out that this Mandara mountain was very heavy and was going down this, okay, in the what the milk. Te Sunirvinna Manasa Parimlanam Tushriya Asan Swapaurushe Naste Daive Nati Baliyasa. They, all of them, the demigods and demons, Sunirvinna Manasa, their minds being very disappointed. Parimlana, dried up. Mukhashriya, the beauty of their faces. Asan became Swapaurushe with their own progress. Naste being lost. Daivena, by a providential arrangement. Ati Baliyasa, which is always stronger than anything else. Because the mountain had been sunk by the strength of providence, the demigods and demons were disappointed and their faces seemed to shrivel. Okay, now text 8 to 15. One second. So now Lord Vishnu, he will appear as Kurma and he will go down below the Mandar mountain. So now this is the Kurma incarnation. So in Samudra Manthan, everywhere Lord's role is there, everywhere. Okay, that's why here his name Vishnu becomes valid kind of, because Vishnu means who is present everywhere. So here in this Samudramanthan Leela, you will see that Krishna is present in everywhere. It will come. It's very nice. Vilokya Vignesh Vidim Tadeshwaro Duranta Viryo Vititha Visanti Riktva Bapu Kachapam Adbhutam Mahat Pravishya Girimuchaharam. वे कच्छप अवतार क्षितिर इह विपुलतरे तिष्ठति तव पृष्ठे धरणि धारण किं चक्र गरिष्ठे केशव धृता कूर्म शरीरा जय जगदीश हरे. Here this Kurma incarnation is happening. Vilokya, observing, Vigna, the obstruction, the shrinking of the mountain, Isha within by the providential arrangement, Tada then Ishwarada, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Duranta Virya, inconceivably powerful, Avitatha, infallible, Avisandhi, whose determination, Kritva, spending a full body, Kachapam, tortoise, Adbhutam, wonderful, Mahat, very great, Pravishya, entering Toyam, the water, Girim, the mountain, Dar, Jahar, the pit. Seeing the situation that had been created by the will of the Supreme, the ultimately powerful Lord, whose determination is infallible, took the wonderful shape of a tortoise, entered the water, and lifted the great Mandara mountain. Okay, here is evidence that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the supreme controller of everything. As we have previously described, there are two classes of men, the demons and the demigods, but neither of them are supremely powerful. Very nice sentences coming. There are two types of people, are there, demons and demigods. Yesterday we had a discussion, and now again Prabhupada is quoting the two types of people, whether demon or demigod, but neither of them are supremely powerful. Everyone has experienced that hindrances are imposed upon us by the supreme power. Even in the activity of demons and demigods, okay, even if we see with the activities of Indra, who is the king of heaven, there are sometimes obstacles. Okay, so Krishna's help is needed. So one should never think that just by my own uh, power I can complete this task. One should be always depending upon Krishna. The demons regard these hindrances as mere accidents or chance, but devotees accept them to be acts of the Supreme Ruler. Okay, so when faced with the hindrances, therefore devotees pray to the Lord. When faced with hindrances, devotees pray to the Lord. Tattenukampam susamikshamaну bhujjana evakratam vipak. Very nice verse from 1048. Devotees endure hindrances, accepting them to be caused by the Supreme Personality of Godhead and regarding them as benedictions. Demons, however, being unable to understand the Supreme Controller, regard such hindrances as accidental. Here, of course, the Supreme Personality of Godhead was present personally. It was by His will that there were hindrances, and by His will those hindrances were removed. The Lord appeared as a tortoise to support the great mountain. Chitri iha vipulitare tavatishthati krishna. The Lord held the great mountain on His back. Keshav Dhirta Purna Sharira Jai Jagdish. This is very famous song. A song. This is Dasavata Stotram actually written by Jayadeva Goswami. क्षितिर इहा विपुल तरे तिष्ठति तव पृष्ठे धरणि धारण चक्र गरिष्ठे केशव धीरता पूर्ण शरीरा जय जगदीश हरे. O Keshava, O Lord of the universe, O Lord Hari, who has assumed the form of a tortoise, all glories to you. In this incarnation, as a divine tortoise, the great Mandar mountain rests upon your gigantic back as a pivot for churning the ocean of from holding up the huge mountain, a large scare-like depression is put in your back, which has become glorious. Just imagine the size of the tortoise, because it was explained that the Mandar mountain, uh, actually this Mandar mountain is from Ilavartvarsha. Okay. So there are like Jambu Deep. Okay, it's nice. So on the other side you can see. In Jambu Deep, there is seven island and seven islands, seven deepas. That the center one is Jambu Deepa. In Jambu Deepa there are eight verses. Bharat versa, 11th versa, like that. There are nine verses. Sorry. Okay, so in that center is 11th versa. 11th versa where Lord Shiva is living. So in that 11th versa, center Meru mountain is there, and along with that there are like two mountain in each side. 8 mountains are there, and then this Mandar is there like that. So many mountains in that actually. And there are like some 20 of the mountains circle supporting the Meru like that. So there this Mandar mountain is there, made of gold. So when previous chapter we read now that the demons and demigods, when they went to lift that, they were not able to carry it. Such a huge, all the demons and all the demigods, they were together not able to carry such thing, such a big heavy one. And another thing you imagine, like this Mandar mountain was churning the ocean. You just think if you have a curved vessel, big one. So according to the size of the vessel, you need the churning rod size also. To think how it will be that it was able to churn the ocean. Think about the size of Mandar mountain, and the whole Mandar mountain was lifted by Garuda. Now think about the power of Garuda. And Kachapa, Kurma, Lord is holding a whole Mandar mountain on back of. So it is mentioned that when it was churning, rotating, there was an impression which looked very beautiful on the back of Kurma, Lord. Changes can be created by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and they can also be removed by Him. This is known to devotees, but demons cannot. समुत्थितं वीक्ष्य कुलाचलं पुनः तमुद्यता निर्मथितुं सुरासुरा दधार कृष्णेन सलक्ष्य योजन प्रस्तारिणा द्वीपिवापरुमान् तं that mountain Uttitam lifted Viksha, observing Kulachalam known as Mandar Puna again Samudayatah enlivened Nirmatitum to churn the ocean of milk. Sura Asura, the demigods and the demons Dadhar carried Preshthana, Preshthena by the backs the Supreme Lord Daksh Yojana 100,000 yojanas 800,000 miles. Okay, 100,000 yojan means 800,000 miles. Prastarina extending to Ipa, a big island, Eva like Apra, another Mahan, very big. When the demigods and demons saw that Mandar mountain had been lifted, they were enlivened and encouraged to begin churning again. The mountain rested on the back of the great tortoise, which extended for 800,000 miles like a large island. सुरासुरेन्द्रैर्भुजवीर्यवेपितं परिभ्रमन्तं गिरिमङ्गपृष्ठता बिभ्रत् तदा वर्धनमादिकच्छपो मेनेऽङ्गकण्डो यनं प्रमेयासुरसुरेन्द्रिय. But the leaders of the demons and the demigods, Bhujavirya, by the strength of their arms, Vepitam, moving, Paribhramantam, rotating, Girim, the mountain, Anga, Maharaj, Parikshit, Krishtata, on his back, Viprat, so that of that, Avartanam, the rotating, Adi Kachapa, as supreme or the tortoise. Mene considered Anga Kantugyanam as the scratching of the body, Aprameya, and poking. When the demigods and demons, by the strength of their arms, rotated Mandar mountain on the back of the extraordinary tortoise, the tortoise accepted the rolling of the mountain as a means of scratching his body, and thus he felt a pleasing sensation. Mountain is being rolled on the back, and the Lord is feeling that somebody is scratching it so nice. And actually he slept nicely because nice massage kind of thing is happening. Nicely. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is always unlimited. Although the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his body as a tortoise held on his back the largest of Mandara Parvat, he did not feel any inconvenience. On the contrary, he apparently felt some itching, and thus the rotation of the mountain was certainly very pleasing. Wow. तथा असुराणां विशदा सुरेण रूपेण तेषां बलवीर्यमीर्यन् उद्दीपयन् देवगणाश्च विष्णुर् दैवेन नागेन्द्रमबोधरूपा तथा thereafter Asuran and the demon Avishat entered Asurena by the quality of passion Rupena in such a form Tesham of the Balaviryam strength and energy Irian increasing Uddipayan, encouraging Devagana, the Devakacha, also Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, Daivena by the feature of goodness, Naga Indram unto the king of the serpent Vasuki, Abodha Rupa by the quality of ignorance. Thereafter, Lord Vishnu entered the deep. This is very nice. Thereafter, Lord Vishnu entered the demons as the quality of passion, the demigods as the quality of goodness, and Vasuki as the quality of ignorance, encourage them and increase their various type of strength and energy. Now you see, first he entered under the Mount Mandar mountain in the form of Kurma. Now he also entered inside the demons, inside the demigods, and inside the Vasuki snake, the rope also. And you will see wonderful pastime here coming slower. Everyone in this material world is under the different modes of material nature. There were three different parties in the churning of Mandar mountain. The demigods who were in the mode of goodness, the demons who were in the mode of passion, and the snake Vasuki who was in the mode of ignorance. Since they were all becoming tired, Vasuki so much so that he was almost going to die. Lord Vishnu to encourage them to continue the work of churning the ocean entered into them according to their respective modes of nature, goodness, passion, and ignorance. Uparyagendram गिरिराडिवाण्य आक्रम्य हस्तेन सहस्रबाहु तस्थौ दिवि ब्रह्म भवेन्द्रमुखैः विष्णुवद्भिः सुमनोभिष्टः उपरि on the top of Agendram, the big mountain, Giriraj, the king of mountains, Eva, like Anya, another Akramya, catching Hastena by one hand, Sahasrabahu, exhibiting thousands of hands, Kastau, situated Devi in the sky, Brahma, Lord Brahma, Bhava, Lord Shiva, Indra, the king of heaven, Mukhya, headed by Avishtu Bhadri offered praise to Lord Sumanaha by flowers, Avivrishta, big shower. Manifesting himself with thousands of hands, the Lord then appeared on the summit of Mandar mountain like another great mountain. So now another form. On top of Mandar mountain he sat, and having thousands of hands. Looks like another mountain is there on top of Mandar mountain. So like another great mountain held Mandar mountain with one hand. In the upper planetary system, Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva, along with Indra, king of heaven, and other demigods, offered prayers to the Lord and showered flowers upon him. So now you see, okay, first read. To balance Mandar mountain while it was being pulled from both sides, the Lord himself appeared on its summit like another great mountain. Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and King Indra then expanded themselves and showered flowers on the Lord. So what is happening here that First, the Mandar mountain was going down. So, Kurma Avatar, Lord in the form of Kurma Avatar, went down and lifted it. And now holding is the base so that it doesn't sink. Okay, first thing. And okay, so first he is in the demigod side, he is already there. And he is also helping them in pulling. Okay. And secondly, he went inside the like first he helped in order to bring the mountain, second he helped in order to pull it, third he is helping to hold the mountain. Now fourthly, he entered inside the demons in the form of passion, because demons are doing this churning in out of rajoguna, out of passion. So out of passion only one will get this kind of thing. So what is, why this is passion? Because what is the idea, motivation? Able to hear, no? Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Okay. So demons, and they were doing out of Rajoguna, because what is their idea? Oh, after this we will get nectar and we will become more powerful. We will enjoy Sankirtan. Like that. This is called uh, Rajoguna. That I will work like this. I will do hard work, and one day I will become rich. I will become this, that, and then everything will be nice. I'll enjoy happiness. Like this is Rajoguna, out of Rajoguna. So Krishna entered inside the demon in the form of Rajoguna and increased the Rajoguna, so that demons become more and more this thing, like okay, we must do it. Their Rajoguna increase now, so they become more encouraged from within. So who is doing that? Krishna only doing. And demigods, Devata, how they are doing? They are thinking anyway. Krishna said to us, so we should do this, and then we will get our kingdom back, so that we can continue our service. We are away from our service to Krishna, so once we will get nectar and things will be settled, we will be able to serve Krishna back. So there is this kind of mentality. So that is goodness. So Krishna entered within the demigods in the goodness and increased their goodness. So they got more encouraged in the mode of goodness. So that both sides got encouraged. Nah? So now they will do churning very nicely. Okay. They will do churning very nicely, but there is another personality, the rope, the Vasuki snake. It is tied up and coiled in that mountain, and they are doing like this. Okay. Think what will happen with the snake, poor snake. So Krishna entered inside the Vasuki snake and increased its ignorance, tamoguna. So what will happen? Out of tamoguna, increased tamoguna, this Vasuki snake will not feel the pain. Okay, it's like this surgeon, during surgery, what they do? They give some anesthesia to the people, and they nicely cut his body and remove all the kidney, put another kidney or whatever inside you put, whatever you take out. The fellow don't know anything. Okay, so it's like that only Krishna did, because Vasuki snake will feel pain, na, and he was already so tired. Okay, and he was almost about to like die, but Krishna went in entered inside the snake and increased the tamoguna. So Vasuki snake will not feel the pain. He will not feel what's happening. Nah, kind of anesthesia he gave. And also he gave the power also to the Vasuki snake. Otherwise, anyway, anesthesia is working. But body will break, na. He may not feel the pain, but if too much thing will happen, then it will break. Snake body is like that. It don't have strong bones. If it has strong bones, it cannot be coiled up. Okay, so Krishna entered that also and made it strong, and it was going nice. Okay, and then This Mandar mountain, because of churning, it was also getting this balance and but getting scattered kind of thing. It was looking like all the Mandar mountain will become like powder or spread like that. So Krishna went on top of Mandar mountain, another form, and 1,000 hands and holding it. So like that. So it resembles like on top of Mandar mountain, another mountain is there, like that big Krishna holding Mandar mountain from top also, from down also, from top also, from everywhere now Krishna only is there. Okay, and so it is mentioned here that Tasthav Divi Brahma Bhavendra. So Devatas were offering flowers from top. Who are they? Brahma, Ava, Indra. Brahma and Shiva and Indra, they were offering flowers from the top. So Brahma is okay, Shiva is okay, because they were not engaged in the churning of the ocean. And they were not holding the snake, but Indra was holding snake. Na? So this question may be asked that he was holding here, then where, what is this? So actually Indra can expand himself in another body. Kaya Vyuha, it is called Kaya Vyuha. So, or you can understand like clone kind of thing. But actually, olden days, I mean, they have this kind of mystic power can be achieved that you can have more bodies. Yogi can have maximum 9 bodies. Kardamuni uh, exhibited 9 bodies, and here Indra exhibited another body, and from there he was offering flowers, and here he was holding. Okay, like that. Text 13. Upariyadhaschatmani gotra netrayo परेणते प्राविशता समेधिता ममन्तुरब्धिं तरसा मदोत्कट महादृणाचोभितन कृष्कृम. Upari upward, adhacha and downward, atmani and to the demons and gotra netrayo. Under the mountain and Vasuki was used as a robe. Parena, the supreme personality, but they pravishta and them. Samedita, sufficiently agitated. Mamantu, Shavan, Abdim, the ocean of milk. Tarasa, greatest and Mother Tata, Mad Utkata, being mad, Maha Adrina with the great Mandar mountain. Shobhita, agitated Nakra Chakram, all the alligators in the water. The demigods and the demons worked almost madly for the nectar, encouraged by the Lord who was above and below the mountain, and who had entered the demigods, the demons, the Vasuki, and the mountain itself. And he entered inside the mountain also. He is on top of mountain, below the mountain, he is within the demons, and within the demigods, within the snake, and within the mountain also he entered. So he, after entering inside the mountain, he made mountain to be like collected, so that things don't spread, scatter around there. So he's everywhere. Because of the strength of the demigods and demons, the ocean of milk was so powerfully agitated. Now it happened proper churning, where Krishna is there everywhere, and then ocean of milk got agitated, and then all of the alligators in the water were very much perturbed. Nonetheless, the churning of the ocean continued in this. Everyone is nicely engaged. Ahi Indra Sahastra Kathor स्वासाग्नि धूमा हतवर्चसोऽसुरा पौलोमकालेय बलील्वलादयो दावाग्निदग्धा सरला इव भवन्. Ahindra, the king of serpents, Sahasra by thousands, her Kathora, very, very hard, direct all direction, Mukha by the mouth, Swasa, breathing Agni, fire chemical, Dhumna, smoke, Ahat, being affected, Varchasa by the rays, Asura, the demons, Paulam, Kale, Bali, Ilval, Adya, headed by Dua Agni, by forest power, fire, Dadha, burned, Sarala, trees, Eva, like Avadhan, Abhavavan, all of them became. Vaski had thousands of eyes and mouths. Who? Vasuki. Now this is another nice thing. Vasuki had thousands of eyes and mouths. From his mouth he breathed smoke and blazing fire, which affected the demons headed by Paulama, Kaleya, Bali, and Ilval. Thus, the demons who appeared like Saralatis, burned by a forest fire, gradually became powerless. Actually, these demons were thinking that they said, no, we are very scholar in Vedic knowledge. Okay, so we will hold the front part of the snake. Now only they are suffering. They did not use the brain properly, because when this snake was used, out of this pain, lot of blazing, this fire, poison, and all of this, because they became they like burned out, like the case mentioned, like trees burned in the forest fire, like that they were burning. So much heat was there. Even demigods were on other side. The heat reached till them also, but very less. But this side, and this Bali and Ilval and Paulama and Kali, they were in the front, very close to the mouth of Vasuki. And they are burning. Now they cannot say anything. Na? Now they cannot change. Na? Because if they change, then it will be insult to them. Na? So they have to no, we will continue. If they say to Krishna, maybe Krishna can change also. Okay, let us change. But they said, no, we must do it. We are powerful. Because if they say that we are not able to manage this side, that means it will be proven that you are weak people. Okay, because you only selected front side. Okay. देवांश देवांश तच्छवास शिखाः प्रभान् धूम्राम्रस्त्रगवरकञ्चुकाननान् समभ्यवर्षन् भगवद्वशाघना बभू समुद्रोपर्युपगूढवायवा. Devan, all the demigods also Vasa properties in Shikha by the flame. Other being affected, Brahman, their bodily luster, Dhumra, smoky amber, dress, Vara, excellent garland, and Chuka ornaments, armaments, Ananan, and faces Sambraya Varashan, sufficiently rain, Bhagavad Vasa, under the control of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Dhana, cloud, blue, Samudra of the ocean of milk, moving from the waves, Upagudha, beating fragments of water, Vayava, breezes. Because the demigods were also affected, because the demigods were also affected by the blazing baby breath of Vasuki, their bodily luster diminished, and their garments, garland, weapon, and faces were blackened by smoke. However, by the grace of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, clouds appeared on the sea, pouring torrents of rain, and breeze blew, carrying particles of water from the sea waves to give the demigods relief. Mat मत्स्यमाना तथा सिंधोर देवासुरवरूथपै यदा सुधा न जायेत निर्मंथाजितः स्वयं. Matyamana sufficiently being churned tata in this way, Sindhu from the ocean of milk, Deva of the demigod Astra and the demons, Varuta Pai by the best Yada when Sudha nectar